It doesn't actually take very much.
Day
to
3 of the juice
make
cleanse.
the deepest
Would be
part
day
of us
4, but
incredibly happy.
decided to have a couple cheese sticks for my
You know?
birthday.
Just to be here, just to appreciate.
They were good.
To appreciate being here.
Hope some of y'all want to try that cleansing stuff. It's pretty cool.
To feel that you're
Energy.
alive.
Get back.
Be in touch with your heart.
Injuries start
That's
healing
it.
themselves.
That's it.
You never know. Your body might start rejecting all the chemical crappy food. You only know if you know, though.